Hi guys, welcome to the channel Pop and Glamour. Today we will see how to make this beautiful slide, this infographic slide. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin. Insert a rectangle. Adjust it. Okay, now duplicate the same. Reduce the size. You need to place it on top of this. Okay, it should be a little inclined. Okay, adjust it. Let's go ahead and increase the transparency so that we can see properly. There should be no outline. Okay, increase the transparency of both of them. Adjust it in this fashion. Okay, now select this, go to format, merge shapes, and then subtract. Great, now we have this new shape with us. Adjust the size, duplicate, then we need to rotate it horizontally, so flip horizontal. Okay, place it here. Adjust the size so that it looks like a box. Okay, now go ahead and fill it with these colors, white and a gray backdrop, so that it looks like a shadow. Okay, adjust. Now go ahead and group them so that it is easy for you to move around. Okay, duplicate and put it here. Adjust it. Okay. Then ungroup this. Select this part. Now fill it with blue. We'll go ahead and take this light blue color. This one would be the darker version of the blue. Okay, now we need to bring this to front. Right, now go ahead and give it a shadow. Okay, let's give it a bottom shadow. Duplicate, get it down, adjust it like this, reduce the size. Okay, now we need to insert another rectangle. No outline. Okay, increase the transparency and bring it here. Okay, adjust the corners properly and then subtract. Okay. Now go ahead and do the same thing for the other rectangle. Insert one rectangle, increase the transparency, adjust it here, a little tilted. Okay. Great, now go ahead and subtract. Great, now we have this shape. Alright, so it looks like this. We need to make it and give it a shadow here again. Great, now adjust the size. Little more. Great, so now we have this first shape ready. Now we need to go ahead and give it a base. Set a rectangle, give it this gray color, send it to back. Okay, send the background to back, so this will come in the front. Go ahead and give it a shadow. Great, now the base is ready. Let's go ahead and give it a shadow. Insert a circle, select the color, right? The transparency, let's keep it 73 for now. Go to soft edges and select a 10-point soft edge. Okay, that's fine. Let's go ahead and put it here. Reduce the size, adjust it in this way. Okay, let's pick a darker version. Yeah, send it to back, bring these to front. Okay, let's bring this to front as well. Good. Now select the entire shape, group it, and then duplicate. We need to make 3 more copies. Great, done. Now select this, adjust the sizes of the top part, drag it down. Okay. Okie dokie. Alright, now it's time for the shape fill eyedropper. So this would be green, darker green, and this would be light green. Okay, do the same for all the others. Done. Coloring is done. Now let's insert an arrow. Okay, fill it with take the eyedropper. Let's take the darkest blue over here, rotate, and then place it here. Now go ahead and do the same for all the other shapes as well. Okay, so now go ahead and select this, duplicate, place it here, eyedropper, dark green. Alright, the same thing, eyedropper. So eyedropper is the best way to copy colors. Reduce it a little here. This should be the darker red. Great. Arrows are done. Now let's go ahead and insert the icons. Okay, let's pick up 4 icons. Alright. Go ahead and place the icons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we need text boxes here to be placed. I'm selecting impact as the font, which really gives an impact to the shapes. Alright, now duplicate the same. We need to write numbers here. So increase the font size, write the number 1, number 2, number 3, and finally the number 4. Okay, one more text box so that we can place it on the top of the shapes. Okay, rotate it like that, place it here. Okay, a smaller text box here. Great, select this, duplicate and just paste it on the others. Okay, great, it is almost done. Just delete these colors. Alright, I think the title is missing. Let's go ahead and put a title. Great, the title is done. The infographics slide is ready for your use. Please go ahead and subscribe, like and share. You have this link in the description to download the free slide. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.